Healthcare in rural communities comes with its unique challenges, and that's why the California Association of Nurse Anesthesiology, or CANA, is hosting the 2026 Rural Healthcare Symposium.
So joining us live to talk about this free event is certified registered nurse Elizabeth Bambouche. Thanks for joining us. Why is this symposium so important?
Thank you so much for the opportunity. We wanted to come together with regulators, legislators, and the community to take a much deeper dive into what's happening in rural healthcare, how we can achieve overcoming some of our challenges, and what are some possible solutions that maybe we're not thinking of. But our main wish is to really work with the community at large and look at what we can do to put our heads together and make sure that Californians are taken care of.
Well, and so, Elizabeth, what topics you mentioned you're going to do a deep dive into some of those. What specifically are you talking about, and what are some of those specific challenges that people in rural areas are facing?
I would say top of the list is probably access and accessibility to full services. So everything from making sure that obstetric care for women across the state is accessible at all times. They're not traveling 2 hours to have a safe birth. And then, of course, that also leads right into all other aspects of care, which could be anything from your heart to pain, chronic pain, and really looking and listening tomorrow to what the challenges are that the rural healthcare community is facing and how we can put, our expertise to work and help them achieve overcoming some of those barriers.
All right, so who's invited and who do you think should really come?
I would love for everyone to come. I think that to find a solution, we have to hear from everyone at the table, and everyone needs to be at the table to make sure that we're not looking at this through a single lens. We have the panels and those who are presenting tomorrow represent a wide variety of aspects in healthcare and out in the community. So if anyone's interested, they can go to canainc.org. It's CANAINC.org for more information. You can join online, so it shouldn't limit anyone from being able to join.
All right, Elizabeth, thank you so much for joining us. And again, that California Association of Nurse Anesthesiology 2026 Rural Health Symposium in Sacramento is Wednesday, January 21st from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. at the UC Student and Policy Center at 1115 11th Street in Sacramento. Again, as you heard her say, this is a free event. Registration is required, though, even if you're going online or in person. Go to canainc.org. In-person attendance is encouraged, so you can fully get involved in that discussion. All registrants will receive a Zoom link for virtual attendance.